Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use heat-resistant tape with your Cricut projects. First, gather your materials, your cut design, the blank item, and your heat-resistant tape. This tape is crucial for keeping your design perfectly aligned during the heat pressing process. It ensures a clean, professional finish every time, preventing any unwanted movement or ghosting. Let's get started with the simple steps. Once your design is cut with your Cricut, carefully position it onto your chosen blank. Whether it's a t-shirt, mug, or tote bag, precise placement is key. Take a moment to ensure it's perfectly centered and level. A small ruler can be very helpful here to achieve exact measurements. Smooth down your design to remove any air bubbles, preparing it for the next step. Now, let's apply the heat-resistant tape. Cut several small pieces, about 1 to 2 inches long. Use these pieces to firmly secure the edges of your design to the blank material. Typically, 4 to 6 pieces are sufficient for most projects, placed on opposite sides. Remember, the goal is to hold the design in place without covering any part of the image that needs to transfer. This prevents any shifting during pressing. With your design taped securely, it's time to heat press. Refer to your specific heat press instructions for the correct temperature and pressing time, usually around 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 60 seconds. Apply firm, even pressure. Once pressed, let the item cool for a few seconds before gently peeling away the design backing. Then, carefully remove the heat-resistant tape, revealing your perfectly transferred project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.